Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me. I wanted to show you a few things that I got in the mail from some sweet friends. I cannot talk. From some sweet friends, and then we're going to get into working on our Friday freebie. This is a brilliant butterfly bouquet pop-up paper flower bouquet, and it's from Shirley. Shirley, thank you so much. I want you to look at this. First off, look at these. And then you push that in and it pops up, and look at that. Is that not gorgeous? And she says, no special reason for the card. I knew you've been through a lot in the past few weeks, so I thought a bouquet of butterflies will cheer you up. Love and hugs, Shirley. Thank you so much, Shirley. It sure does. I've got this sitting on my desk, and I absolutely love it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. That is gorgeous. All right, let me set that back on my desk. And she made this, I guess she made it, or maybe it come with it, this little piece that holds it to keep it from getting bent. They did bend it when they put it in my mailbox, but I just put some books on it and it flattened it out. But I am going to use this since it's a nice cardstock. I'm going to use that in some things. And then I got some cards and things from another sweet friend. These are some of the cabinet cards. Are they cabinet cards? Am I saying that right? My mind's blank right now, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Look how old these are. They're so neat. And what gets me is the kids in these back then never smiled. They always looked so sad. Look at that. I mean, they just, they looked pitiful. I love these. Thank you so much. These are absolutely wonderful. I will be scanning these and sharing these with you guys. So I know a lot of you are like me. You can't get anything like this around where you live. This says Wisconsin. Look at that. Oh, wow. But look how serious they all looked. I guess you weren't supposed to smile back then, maybe? Wisconsin, maybe this may be the same family. I don't know. Maybe you weren't supposed to smile. And it looks like, no, I think that's a little scratch. Starts, it looks like he has something in his mouth, but I think it's a little scratch. That's Wisconsin. I think that's the same. That and that looks like the same person, doesn't it? And I don't know who this, didn't say on that one. Look at this granny. Bless her heart. She looked pretty rough, didn't she? Oh my goodness. And then that guy with his hairdo there. And then this family. Looks like a wedding maybe. Neat. So neat. And then this lady, and she's from Wisconsin too. So a lot of those from Wisconsin. Thank you so much. I love these. Now I have a ton of them that I can share with you guys. All right, I'm going to put them back in my pouch here. And then she also sent me these very, very old, I guess, receipt out of a little receipt book. 1934. 1934. Looks like all of them are 1935. So those are neat. 34. Look at that. Look at the writing. And it's in pencil, and it's still just as good as it was the day they wrote it. Look at that. Wow. Thank you so much. And then I received a bag of goodies from someone else. Let's see who it might be. She sent a card. This is from Diane Christie. Here, look at that. I heard you were feeling under the weather. Aw. Hope you are feeling better soon. I am feeling a lot better. Thank you so much. Sending some things you could use in your journal. Ribbons, tags, pockets, also other items that was given to me. I hope you're feeling better soon. Thank you so much, Diane. I'm feeling a lot better. So, I don't know what this was. Something fell out of it, I guess. Okay, here's some tags. And these are the big thick tags too. These would be good to make a little tag journal, wouldn't they? They're the right thickness. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at those. Neat. And then some, what is this, gingham plaid? I don't know. Ribbon. And then some pockets. Oh, these are thick pockets too. Wow. So some Christmas ones. And then, what are these? Advice and wishes. Oh, these are like cards. So neat. Those can be used in journals. Some flowers. Some butterflies. And then a packet of lace and trims. That's neat. Thank you. Thank you so much, Diane. I will definitely be using those.